Now, clinicians at one East Midlands university have announced a breakthrough in the treatment of blood cancers.
Researchers from the University of Leicester and Leicester's hospitals say patients with lymphocytic leukemia and other blood cancers have responded well to a new drug during clinical trials. Paul Bradshaw reports.
A hope against cancer, a hope for life. Jim was diagnosed with lymphocytic leukemia 15 years ago. But thanks to a new drug treatment being trialled at this unit at the Leicester Royal Infirmary, he says he's now doing fine.
It's kept me alive. If I hadn't had the treatment, I don't think I'd be here. Basically, side effects, really nothing.
This new drug is transforming people's lives. So this has been administered to patients who've failed multiple other lines of chemotherapy, and yet this tablet is quite remarkably controlling the disease for many months and indeed in some instances many years.
The new drug works by targeting proteins essential for the survival and proliferation of tumour cells, and crucially it avoids anything like the toxicity levels of other treatments like chemotherapy.
These diseases, which have been previously almost impossible to treat, are now responding to oral medication without toxicity. So it's the double whammy. They're getting good responses without significant side effects.
And this so-called precision medicine could have an even bigger part to play in the wider fight against cancer.
There's no doubt that this is a very important molecule, a very important building block in the treatment for patients in the future.
Clinical trials will continue here in Leicester in combination with other drugs to see if its effectiveness can be improved even further. Paul Bradshaw, BBC East Midlands Today.